Mēs esam atpakaļ San Andreasā. CJ'u no Grove Street. Mums jādodas pie Raidera.
What's up with you?
Jā, labi. Parunāsim pa telefonu
Hey,
pirms
thought
tam.
I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around here. Grove Street families ain't big no more. Seville Boulevard families and Triple Drive families are beefing and split with the Grove. Now we so busy, Centrip and Ballers and Vagos have taken over. So watch your stuff out there.
Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for the heads up.
Don't mention.
Labi. Sēdīšu pakaļ ieročiem. Bruņu ieteikumu mums nebūs vajadzīgi iespējams. Jo pie Raidera tā misija būs vīgākla. To es varu pateikt. Jā, bruņu vest. Ātrāk cīģi, tu nemāks skriet. Skavē laiku sīgai. Mums ir 130 lodes. Labi, ātrāk sīgai. Tu būs beigts. Jo es tā nošaušu. Raider.
Hey man, what you want?
Seeing my homie. What's up with you?
Yeah, homie. Yeah, it's good to see you back.
No homie love? No hug?
Oh, for sure, my nigga. My bad. What's cracking with you?
Hey, man, what you strapped for?
Man, some pizza place keeps paying no raw hit up, man. Shit is beautiful. Teach the owner a lesson. The fucking Grove Street. You down?
I'm always down.
Let's go, bitch.
Let's go, bitch.
Show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
Jā, labi.
Hey, old Reese still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy-ass motherfucker. He popped his membrane years ago. The way I let that old fool in my head.
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
Whatever. You got 5 minutes, I'll be cutting you like a DJ. So when you running off again?
I'm not. I'm thinking of staying.
Why?
My family, the homies is here.
We were always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass or nothing. You still a monster to me.
Jā.
Okay, thanks, homie.
Es tev tu mašīnu sadauzīšu. Labi.
Come on, CJ, take a seat.
Šeit apgriež mati. Es jau zinu, ko es ņemšu.
Some newfangled style. I think Beverly would have approved. Nice to have you back, son.
Shit. I told you he was crazy. Man, you jacked up. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. Looking too skinny, CJ. I want to get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this. Then I'm gonna take care of business. Get out my
Labi.
face.
Ejam paēst. Mēs neesam diezko... Esam gan... What the? Neizskatās tā. Vai... Nē. Nu?
Chewy crust or sweaty crust, your choice, sir.
Garšīgi. $500. 3 porcijas.
Enjoy, sir.
2.
Here you go,
Please.
enjoy.
Nu, Rēda, ko tu dalies, ha? Labi. Nu,
Give up the
aplaupiņā.
money. This a raid.
Ryder, not
Nav
this
skaņa.
again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel sorry for your dad.
Gāja
Shit,
klusi.
you crazy. Let's get up out of here.
Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster. Oh, shit! Run!
Tas tāpēc, ja es neticam, kā pieskāros disk... Fuck!
This pizza
So-
parlor's no pushover.
Nu, tur, kur
What you waiting for, fool? Take us
Wake
back
up,
to the
let's go.
grove, motherfucker.
Pieskāros diskam. un tur. Bom!
Hop in, CJ.
Mums ir ierocis, jā.
What the fuck's name are you doing?
Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti, too. Later, homie.
Labi.
Get the hell out of here!
Nākamā misija. Taking
Come on,
up
fat boy.
charge.
Watch out, fool.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch this,
fat
watch
boy,
this.
look at, look at. Look who's here. It's
Bam.
Running Man. What, you think you back on the set?
I told you that, bruh.
Your word don't mean shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers is rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, poor chop. Hey, wait up.
Ah, thought you hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on. It's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
Jā, labi. Let's ride. Labi, braucam uz Jāģuladu. Ātrāk mašīnas. Es tas nebija. Tas
You go get
nespoils.
him, and I'll
Nav
keep the engine
interesanti,
running.
tas viss tikai to izpildīs. Viņš tur nerunās, tāpēc. Tagad viņš vairs nevar paiet. Ej, o tā. Labi. Iekšā
Come
mašīnā.
on, let's cruise into Ballas territory.
It's got to the bubbles, doctor. Yeah, sweet.
Man, you gotta ease
Man
up
patīk tas
some.
veids, kas jau no CJ. Ejams, kā viņš sauc. Bet viņš nav. Es redzēšu bildes. Interviju kādreiz.
You
Senu.
hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another
Kas
hood.
bija gamēram gadu pēc GT uzņemšanas. Mums full iznākšanas. Uzņemšanas, kāds uzņemšanas tādā filma. Tom, 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 tadam, tadam, tom. Tom, 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 tom,
What the
tadam.
fuck?
Tom, tom, tom.
Hey, guess
Ah,
what? It's loaded.
Get that fool!
Idioti. Uz, man no tevīm ir bail. Jo, ej, no. Stūbrs. Labi. Tam. Skrien, CJ, skrien. Oi, Ar shift var lekt pa, lekt. Yeah. Un arī rāpties pār priekšmetiem. 6 no 100. Te jābūt arī svītam.
Carl, quick, get in!
Go. Get back, sweet car. Nigga.
Get us back to the hood, CJ.
Labi.
CJ, I warned you.
Es nezinu, vai es rādīju vienu prikolu. Es jums to parādīšu. Tagad sāka netīšām braukt stūri sūdīgi. Viens prikols šeit.
CJ, I
Nē,
warned your ass.
tur. Vēl, kad es nokatīšu, tāpēc. Kāpēc tas nedarbojas? Kāpēc tas ir sūps?
CJ, I'm gonna give you a lesson.
Es nezinu, kas notiek, bet jūs to prikolu iekļauts, tagad neredzēsiet. Un tagad redzējiet, es labāk tur nelikšu lejā, jo man jau daudz fail bijuši tur.
I ain't gonna say I told you.
Tieši šim visiem. Kā es uzņēmu video, un tieši tad man arī tas
Like
notika.
riding bike
Ieliks
airport.
tur.
Yeah,
Nav
it all
gāzes
comes
mašīna.
back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kinda shocked, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with nothing but small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something. I'll catch up with you.
Priekšālis dod $200. Labi. Mēs nākamajā misijā. Es gan iziegai misijā. Labi. Tiekamies nākamajā misijā. Ar CJ un pārējiem draugiem. Čau!